one, Dad, okay?
You good? Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. That's not 10 feet, dude. Hey guys, bang bang. Bang 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 bang. Hey buddy. Hey bang 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 bang. Oh. Oh, get hit. Stuff, man.
Hey,
I got you, dude. Go, dude. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Move, move, move. Oh!
In the balls, bro. Hey, surrender.
Oh. Hey, what's up? Hey man, do you have your own gun?
No. We got our rentals.
Well, I hit 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so I actually wanted to know if you wanted a pistol. So I have the Tokyo Marie. It is good here, and comes with 3 magazines. Got a bottle of green gas for it. Didn't know if you wanted would you want it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sweet, man. So yeah, so take it out of here. It is good here, so have that pistol. It's already been, I don't think it's been chronoed yet here, but got the 3 magazines with it, and then green gas too, see how you want to use it.
Thank you.
Yeah, dude.
thanks for doing that. That's my brother, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, man, it's super sick. You're gonna cock it. There's that.
Does this happen to be your TikTok?
It is.
I followed you like 2 days ago, dude.
Yeah, so, hey man, it's all yours.
Thank you.
Yeah, dude.
It's the mag out, just that button right there.
Yeah, so you just take the mag out, and then, so when you, let's say there's not a BB in there, in order for it to come, like, shoot, it's gonna cock it back and it's gonna load the BB in there. If there's a BB in there already, like let's say
you don't have to cock it back?
You don't have to cock it back. So, hey man, congratulations.
Thanks.
Yeah, of course.